doorbell cameras are becoming more and more popular in homes. They are well known for capturing funny, weird, and crazy moments. It's a small device on the outside of a door that connects to a doorbell. It lets the owner of the house hear and see who is ever at the door. This attempted robbery was all caught on camera while the owner of the house was at work.
Hello, officers.
How are you doing, sir?
Hi there. I'm in my office, but I'm able to talk to you through the Ring doorbell.
Are you able to make it here to the house? You have the 2 kids in custody.
You do? You? Oh my God, I love the Ring doorbell. Yeah, I just got a call from the station. They asked me to come home, so I'm gonna head there now. It takes probably about 20 minutes. I'm at the airport.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks.
Look how funny this is. This car burglar got caught red-handed when the owner of the house saw her on the doorbell camera and asked her what she's doing.
Hey, what are you doing?
You won't believe what was caught on this doorbell camera in California. This is so weird and creepy. And look, the same thing happened in Florida as well, but these clips get crazier, so don't miss out. Aw, this boy learned quickly that his mom can see him through the doorbell. His reaction is so wholesome.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Okay, this is scary. This woman was walking out to her car when a bear was literally inside of it. She freaks out and runs away, and the bear tries to get whatever the woman left behind. A literal falling meteor was captured on this Ring doorbell cam back in April. You should always melt the ice on your driveway because look what happened when this UPS delivery guy tried to deliver a package. Look how funny this is. These dudes wanted his newly married friend to get out of the house. I guess he's been spending too much time with his wife and not enough with the boys.
Hey, fucker. You've been ignoring our phone calls. You've only been married a week. This is bullshit. You're coming out with us tonight.
Every Tuesday with us. It's $2 Tuesday. Come on.
We don't have to tell her. My bottle cap. And I lost Jalen. That's what I need help with. You need to come out here, help me find Jalen. And I lost my shoe. What's up, fucker? I know you're at work, but you don't answer any of our calls or texts anymore, so now I'm just gonna keep showing up and talking to this stupid camera. Look, I'm back. I have a peace offering. I brought you your skeleton back. We did lose the leg. We took him apart last night. We acted like it was you. Things got out of hand. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna steal you.
This grandma goes to hug her granddaughter, but the granddaughter swerves her and walks right past her. I guess she likes her grandfather much more.
Are you cold? Papa? Okay, Papa.
What was that?
Hey, Papa. She asked for me. ran by me and asked for you.
Check out these brothers' not so secret handshake. Whoever ordered this refrigerator is going to be mad as the delivery guy dropped it and dented it.
What's that?
This is a 1 in a million chance. Some soccer ball got kicked into someone's yard and it turned on the lawnmower. Why is he wearing a TV over his head? Subscribe if you want this pretty girl to come knocking on your door. How can this man see when he literally has a television on his head? How would you like it if you ordered a very expensive computer monitor and the delivery man just tosses it and smashes it? Well, that's exactly what happened here. This doorbell camera caught a man in a blow-up costume scaring this woman. She even screams. This is one hungry squirrel. It was eating right in front of the camera. Ding dong, there's an iguana at the door. This doorbell camera caught a bear breaking into a chicken coop, and you can hear a woman screaming at the bear, and the bear just runs away. This Ring camera captured what dogs do when you're not looking. Look how much fun it's having. The family's pets figure out how to use the doorbell camera just to get their attention. Imagine if you're chilling at home and the dogs just start spamming your doorbell. These owls have a staring contest right in front of the house. I still don't understand the thought process going on in this dog's brain.
Hey, Rex. You're gonna break a bone. I cannot believe that this has happened.
This doorbell camera caught a dog biting its tail and walking itself. I have even crazier moments. Click the video on the screen to watch.